don't throw away overripe bananas just yet. Simply turn them into a solution like this, and your tomato plants will grow faster, produce abundant flowers, and yield clusters of ripe red tomatoes. Moreover, this method is very simple and can be done by anyone at home. First, choose ripe, soft bananas, even ones that are slightly bruised, the kind that many people would normally throw away. Not only does it help save money, but ripe bananas also contain phosphorus, which supports root development, along with small amounts of calcium and magnesium that help plants grow stronger and keep their leaves healthy and green. In addition, ripe bananas contain plenty of potassium, which helps tomato plants produce more flowers and set fruit more effectively, resulting in firmer and sweeter tomatoes. Cut the bananas into thin slices. This helps speed up the decomposition process, allowing minerals to be released more efficiently. After placing the thinly sliced bananas into a clean glass jar, I slowly pour in about 1 liter of water. This simple step allows the nutrients in the bananas to gradually dissolve into the solution during the fermentation process. Have you ever used overripe bananas this way? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear about the results you achieved. Let the solution sit overnight so the nutrients from the bananas have time to fully dissolve into the water, creating a more concentrated mixture. After 24 hours of soaking, the solution turns a light yellow color, indicating that the nutrients from the bananas have been released and dissolved into the water. Use a clean cloth to strain out the solids and keep only the clear liquid. The filtered solution is easier to use and will not cause clogging when watering your plants. Removing the solids helps keep the root zone cleaner, reduces the buildup of organic matter, and limits the growth of mold, thereby providing better protection for tomato plants and other crops. And now you can safely use this solution to care for your tomato plants. This is a tomato plant that was planted a week ago. At this stage, the plant is actively developing its root system, so this is the right time to provide additional nutrients. Before applying the solution, you should loosen the soil around the base of the tomato plant to improve aeration, allowing the roots to absorb water and nutrients more easily. Before applying the nutrient solution, you should first water the plant with clean water to moisten the soil and help the roots absorb nutrients better, preventing fertilizer shock when applied directly. When applying the nutrient solution, an important note is that you should only water around the base of the plant, not directly on the leaves. This helps reduce the development of fungal diseases on the leaf surface. Water once a week in the early morning or late afternoon, so the plant can absorb nutrients better and grow healthy and strong. After about 20 days, the tomato plant begins to flower, and the first fruit clusters appear. At this stage, you can continue using the banana solution to water the plant, which helps it produce more and better quality fruits. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.